One of the largest gatherings of regional dignitaries and sporting icons ever assembled in Barbados was present at the Kensington Oval on Wednesday for the state funeral of national hero and West Indies cricket legend Sir Garfield St Aubrun Sobers. More in this report from Deanza Roberts from the Caribbean Broadcasting Corporation.
From heads of government and cricket legends to ordinary Barbadians, every tribute carried the same message. Sir Garfield belonged to the world, but his heart always belonged to Barbados. Prime Minister Mir Amor Motley reflected on Sir Garry's place in the country's history, saying his excellence helped define a young nation, finding its place on the world stage. The Prime Minister also applauded the West Indies team for defeating Pakistan by 90 runs in the first test at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy, dedicating the emotional win to the late Barbadian legend Sir Garfield Sobers on what would have been his 90th birthday.
The gods conspired that our West Indies team would equally celebrate him yesterday by winning on the 90th birthday of Sir Garry a match by 90 runs, but more importantly, in 4 days, so that each and every one of those Bajan cricketers could be here today to say farewell, our hero.
Former Chief Justice Sir David Simmons describes Sir Garry as more than a sporting icon. He said Sir Garry Sobers' achievements inspired a region preparing to govern itself.
If on the 30th of November 1966, Barbadians needed inspiration and to be imbued with self-confidence that we could make a success of independence, I venture to suggest that Sir Garry provided that inspiration by his legendary exploits in 1966. Here was a Barbadian at the very home of cricket in the mother country, proving to the world, as we sought freedom from British rule, that we were perfectly capable of managing our own affairs and excelling too.
As the service drew to a close, Kensington Oval rose in one final standing ovation, bidding farewell to the man whose strokes thrilled millions and whose legacy will forever be woven into the story of Barbados.
Well played, well lived, well loved. Go well, our hero. Go well, our beloved. We shall always love you.